Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidima here once again. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to coil your hair using a coiling wand, or will I say relax. So first of all, I need to get this hair wrap off. I deep conditioned my hair overnight, so today I'll be rinsing it off and dive into coiling my hair with a coiling product here. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. My hair is pretty much wet. I just came out from the shower now, so I'm going to dive into it. I'll be using a coiling cream and eco gel. That's what I'll be using to coil my hair. I'll be using only two products, and I'll be using this as my coiling pins or coiling wands. So yeah, let's jump into it. First of all, I like to put this band on because I'm going to use it to like demarcate the section I'm working on from the section I'm not working. So I'm back now. I did the back of my hair off camera because it's tough doing the back of your hair, you know. So now I'm going to do this remaining part of my hair, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Yeah. So now let's get started with it. So I'm going to cut a particular section of my hair. Let's start right here. I'm using my finger to reduce the amount of breakage I get from this. So yeah, this is one section down, and this my hair has probably started drying. I'm going to spray it with some water. Not getting my face. Walk the water in. Use my fingers to finger detangle the hair before I use the comb lens. Now let's take a small comb because I really want to separate any tangles that I do in my hair. So yeah, then I work my way up from your ends to the roots, small, because you don't want to rip your hair. You don't want to rip the ends, nothing. So now you see how the comb comes out smoothly. Yeah. So now I get the coiling cream, and I put it on my hair from the ends to the roots. That is how you want to work your way from the ends to the roots. Wow, this section is quite big, so I'm still gonna separate it. So you want to work your way from the ends all the way to the roots. The ends all the way to the roots. Be careful and be mindful not to put excess product because then it's going to take your hair way longer to dry, and it's going to make maybe your hair heavy because these coiling products are quite heavy. Then the next thing you're going to apply on the hair is eco gel. Take your eco gel, the same technique from your ends all the way to your roots. That's how you're going to go. Just put enough, don't put excess. Can you see that coil? Like, this is time for coil appreciation. Wow. Like, seeing this right now, I really want to do a wash and go. I don't know how that will be on pure policy here. Can you see this? Oh. So I'm just going to separate the hair into two. Take this one section, get my coiling wand or pin, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to just throw the hair. You want to wrap the ends very well so that they won't come out. Then you want to take the locking this thing and put in the part where your hair above started from. Oh god. Yeah. Maybe not to explain this, but you want this thing to be exactly in the line where the root of your hair is, so that when you lock it, it locks into place. Because if you lock this here, it won't hold the hair, it won't grip, it won't make the coiling pin grip to your hair very well and fit. It's gonna be loose, it's gonna be shaking, so you don't want that. Then the second part, I'm gonna take the coiling pin. I like to put it upside down, yeah, not upside down because there's no particular way of putting this. Now I'm just gonna take my hair and wrap it. You see that you don't want that to happen to your hair. You're gonna take the ends and tail it around. Then you want to tighten the roots. Always remember to turn this to the part where your root is, and you clip it. This is basically what I'm going to do throughout the hair. So yeah, it's remaining this part of my hair, and because I want like a bang effect, a side parting bang effect, I'm going to part the hair from here. I'm going to part the hair like this. So this is the only pattern I really want to show in the hair. Not that I really show it like that, but yeah, something like that. I want like a side parting effect, not a bang effect. So that's that. Can you appreciate this color? Like, can you see it? Oh shit. Can you see it? Oh. We're blessed by the Almighty. Wow. I could just do a wash and go like this. Oh, this is like a bonus trick I'm giving you people. Yeah, bonus. Let's continue what we are here for, please. Okay, so now it's time for takedown. So we're going to take it down and see what the outcome will be, what the result will be. Yeah, I'm so excited because I'm praying it will turn out the way I imagined it to be. I'm actually taking down some, but it's not looking like what I thought, but I think it's still okay and I could still work with that. So yeah, you want to take some oil. Well, I'm using coconut oil. I made it by myself. Yeah, homemade coconut oil, and I'm just going to put it at my fingertips and just rub it through my fingers and then take down the coils. The oil is to help it to lessen the frizz, lessen the frizz. That's just it. So you just roll it out and that is it. Wow, this is how it's supposed to be, but it bounces up immediately. Am I the only one? This is so funny. This looks, I don't even know. This looks like I have some, should I say millipede or centipede on my head. They're so funny. This is not the style. I can't even rock this like this. I don't know if it's because my hair is so short or because I didn't stretch my hair before making the style. I don't know. This is not how I envisioned it. I saw it. I expected it to come out. But we'll see after separating the coils. Yeah. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so taking it down, you have to spray some oil. Put some oil at the tip of your finger, at your fingertips. No more than that, just your fingertips. Then you start to take them down. It's going to help with the frizz, and it's going to also add some shine to your hair. Pretty much just divide it from how it divides itself. See, just like that. That's how you want to do it. You don't want to force it. You don't want to repeat. To help, dividing it like this will even help with the frizz because the hair has already divided itself. Okay, so after separating each coil section, the hair looks okay. Even though this is not what I expected it to be, but it's looking okay. I could just rock it as an afro. So I'm going to use my comb to pluck out the roots to make it more fuller. So yeah, that's what I'm just going to do. First here, can you see this shrinkage? Can you just see this shrinkage? Why will my hair shrink so low? Like why? Why? What is this? Like what? But well, we love it. At least we know our hair is healthy. Yeah. So we come to the end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in my next upload. Love y'all.